Hello my dear students. So in this video we are going to start our exercise 2B. Okay. So the first question is write each of the following numbers in standard form. As we have studied numbers in standard form, or what is a standard form, correct? So what we have to do, we have to write the number in the form m into 10 raised to the power n. In this form we have to write the number, correct? That will be the standard form. Understood? So here, moving further, our first one is 57.36. okay, so 57.36, by 2 decimals we will just cut this decimal and 100 will be here. Then 5.736, as you know that after every number we have to just change it into a decimal. So 5.736 into 3 places are there, so 10 raised to the power 3, and this 100 we can write 10 raised to the power 2. As you can see that 10 raised to the power 3 and 10 raised to the power 2 bases are same, and division it is, right? So in division the powers are subtracted. So 5.736 multiply by 10 raised to the power 3 minus 2. Clear? So it will be 5.736 multiply by 10 raised to the power 1. Clear? Now second part, it is 35 lakh. Okay, and how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 35 into 10 raised to the power 5. Clear? But we have to change it into decimal. So 3.5 multiply by for 0.5 10 raised to the power 1 will be there. Clear? So I have not elaborated. 3.5 multiply by 10 raised to the 1 multiply by 10 raised to the power 5. Okay, then for the 3.5 multiply by 10 raised to the power 1 plus 5 is equals to 3.5 multiply by 10 raised to the power 6. It will be like this. Clear? The next part is 2,73,000. So here 3 zeros are there. So 273 multiply by 10 raised to the power 3. Now 2.73. If 2.73, then 2.73 multiply by 10 raised to the power 2 multiply by 10 raised to the power 3. So here powers will be added, 2 plus 3, 5. So 2.73 multiply by 10 raised to the power 5. Next is fourth one, 168, and how many zeros? 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. Okay, so 168 into 10 raised to the power 6. Same here, 1.68 multiply by 10 raised to the power 2 multiply by 10 raised to the power 6. So you have to add the powers, 2 and 6 will be 8. Clear? So the answer is 1.68 into 10 raised to the power 8. Clear? Now next one is fifth part, 463, and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here it will be 463 into 10 raised to the power 10. So 4.63 into 10 raised to the power 10 plus 2, how? Because 4.63 into 10 raised to the power 2. Clear? Then 10 is also here, so you will just add the powers and then it will be the answer, 4.63 into 10 raised to the power 12. Now next one is sixth one, 345 into 10 raised to the power 5. You will say, ma'am, it is already in the power form, right, or in the standard form. But here as you can see, 345 is written, है ना, into 10 raised to the power 5, 10 raised to power 5, no problem, but 345 we have to convert it in decimal now. So 3.45 multiply by 10 raised to the power 2 multiply 10 raised to the power 5. Sorry, then 3.45 multiply by 5 plus 2, how much? 7. So into 10 raised to the power 7. Clear? So I hope the first question is clear. You have to just change it into the standard form. Okay. Here in the first part I have done a rough work to show you that when we are writing 5.736 into 10 raised to the power 3 and upon 10 raised to the power 2, if we cut it or simplify it, the answer will be this only, 5.736 into 10 raised to the power 1, or if we multiply it you will get this thing only. Okay, so this or this, they are equal. This is to show you that we can write this also, we can write like this, and we can write like this also. So this is the question of writing it in standard form. Understood? And don't get confused why we have to change it in decimal, because when we have studied about the standard form, it is mentioned there. So it is a type of rule. A number written as m into 10 by raised to the power n is said to be in standard form if this m is this. Okay, because this you have to change it in decimal na? Because if m is a decimal number, if m is a, here also if m is a decimal number, here we have converted it, like here also m is a decimal, we have to convert in decimal here also. Okay, so where an m is a decimal number such that 1 less than or more or equals to m or less than to 10. Clear? Like m is have to be more than or equal to 1 but less than 10. Clear? So now coming to the second question. Okay, so now coming to the second question, that is write each of the following numbers in usual form. So the first one is 3.74 into 10 raised to the power 5. As you can see, the question is saying about the usual form. Usual form means as in the real form. Okay, not in the form of m into n raised to the power 10. This we will get in the question and we have to write it in the usual form, or you can say it in the expanded form. Clear? So here first one, it is very easy. You just have to open it and just cancel out it. So 3.7, here by mistake it is written 5, it is 4 only. Okay, you correct it. So 3.74 multiply by 10 raised to the power 5. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here 2 points are here, decimal, so 100 by 20, and the answer you will get 3,74,000. Clear? Here I have written 5, so you just corrected by writing 4. Okay, please correct the mistake. Now second one, 6.912 into 10 raised to the power 8. It is very easy, right? So here also 6.912 by 3 decimal are here, so 1000 into 10 raised to the power 8. You need not to just open it. If you write 10 raised to the power 8, so it will be very long process. So you can do it in this way, that in divisions the powers are subtracted, right? So 6912 by 10 raised to the power 3, we can write 1000 like this, 10 raised to the power 3. Clear? Into 10 raised to the power 8. So 6912 is equals, multiply 10 raised to the power 8 minus 3. Clear? So here then 6912 into 10 raised to the power 5. 8 minus 3, 5, and then you can write the zeros like 6, 9, 1, 2 and 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Okay, now coming to the third part, 4.1253 into 10 raised to the power 7. Same you have to do, 4.1253. So how many decimal places? 4. So 4 zeros will be here, into 10 raised to the power 7. So 41253 by 10 raised to the power 4 into 10 raised to the power 7. So 4.41253 into powers will be subtracted to 10 raised to the power 7 minus 4. it will be 41253 into 10 raised to the power 3 is equals to, you just have to add the 3 zeros, like put the 3 zeros in the number. Clear? Now coming to the fourth part, it is, so the fourth part is 2.5 into 10 raised to the power 4. So 2.5, one decimal place, so 10 will be here, then into 10 raised to the power 4. So 25 into 10 raised to the power 4 minus 1. So 25 into 10 raised to the power 3, answer will be 25,000. I think the exercise is very easy if you have understood the concept. The first one was to change it into the standard form, and the second one is to write in the usual form. Okay, so as you can understand, previously in your previous classes you have been learning about the standard form and usual form, expanded form also, right? So little difference is there, but you can understand in that way only. So here fifth part is 5.17 into 10 raised to the power 6. So by 2 decimal places, so 100 it will be here. So 100 means 10 raised to the power 2. Here 10 raised to the power 6 minus 2 is equals to 10 raised to the power 4. Clear? So 517 multiply 10 raised to the power 4. So 517, 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer. Clear? Now the question sixth part is 1.679 into 10 raised to the power 9. So here 1.679. So how many decimal places? 3. So 1000 into 10 raised to the power 9. So here 1679 by 10 raised to the power 3 into 10 by 10 raised to the power 9. Okay. So 1679 multiply by 10 raised to the power 9 minus 3. Clear? So 1679 multiply by 10 raised to the power 6. Clear? So 1679, how many, what was the power? 6. Okay, so 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? This is the answer. Understood? So here your second question is also completed. Okay, I hope you understood the video, you understood the 2 questions very well. Just try it by yourself, then if there is any problem, then again see the video and then try it. Okay, these are very easy questions, so you can do it easily. Okay, thank you.